I think something's happening here. Hello?
Yes, I'm there.
Oh, can you hear me? Are you really?
Through, so, yes.
Oh, fantastic. Mike, thank you very much to be here in Oman.
So,
it's a very pleasure.
So, I'd like to say Salam Alaikum from Oman. I'm here 7,000 kilometers away from you, and I'm glad to be participating, at least virtually, with you.
You look very nice. You're better in person, but you look nice also.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mike. I will invite you to explain us a little bit about ISE and your industry. And you are in the middle of the stage, so thank you very much for being here with us. The floor is yours, and thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Firstly, apologies that I could not be there in person, but I hope that I've been able to bring a little bit of ISE to you live from Oman. Integrated Systems Europe is now the largest audiovisual show in the world, and we represent the audiovisual industry from all over the world. We have more than 1,300 exhibitors normally, representing all aspects of the show. The AV industry touches all of our lives, whether you're at the conference, whether you're in a hotel, whether you're shopping in the Gran Via or in the Paseo de Gracia, and also at home. You're seeing much of the technology being used nowadays for improving the efficiency of residential homes, of living, whether it's managing the power systems, heating, the blinds, the lighting, everything to make your lives easier and more efficient. But more so in your working lives, I think in the last 2 years, we've seen the effects of COVID changing how we work, hybrid working. And without what our industry creates and produces and develops in solutions like Zoom or Teams or Blue Jeans, all those conferencing and collaboration solutions that many of you have been using and heard of in the last 2 years. So you'll see much of that evolving over the next years. Hopefully, part of it will be that you see technology like this, that you're actually appearing as an avatar, as a 3D image, rather than just a flat screen. The next ISE will be actually in February, or from the 31st of January to the 3rd of February at the Gran Via Exhibition Center in Barcelona. And I look forward to welcoming you to visit us at the exhibition.
Okay, thank you. Mike, as you know, John Hoffman was talking before you arrived. He was doing the introduction of the awards of this year, as well as you will have the next year, we hope, the next year awards. And I think both are doing something very big for our country. And we are trying to help your wishes. I know that there is a problem with talent. There is we need more people with talent. We need to find them. We need to help them, and we have the organization for you, as well as Mobile World Congress. So in the ICA, we will be again, as last year, trying to help with speakers, trying to help your sector, audiovisual, to have new ideas to find talent all around the world.
I mean, Brew, I must say that I'm grateful to be on the same platform as John. I think, John, if you're there, doing great things with Mobile World. We have two industries that are touching each other. The ISE uses the technology that we show, uses the platform of mobile to actually collaborate and actually communicate. And in the same way, We see most of the mobile industry using the audiovisual technology to promote themselves. So we have two very large events that add value to Barcelona and the region that bring two different aspects of technology to the city and to Catalonia.
Okay, the next winner, I hope, it will be someone that we find together. So, Jean and Mike, please help me to know which is the next Welcome Talent Award winner. We have time. So we can start to think about. There is a lot of people bringing, probably not as much as both, as you and John, but for sure we will find who will be the next one.
Thank you very much for...
I look forward to being there.
Okay. I don't know if Aurea has any question else.
I would like to thank you, your kindness always, and your help with the foundation and the talent, because I think that you are a believer on that. And I think that you and John Hofmar are very precious people here in Catalonia because of your confidence of the region and because of your leadership with that kind of events. So, in my opinion, we will have to thank you a lot, all the work that you are doing with Catalonia and, of course, with us. Thank you very much.
Mike, thank you very much. I hope to see you soon
Thank you too.
in person. And we will continue with the rest of awards. Thank you very much again.
Thank you, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you all in person sometime.